by me. Water is weird. Water is so weird, it isn't like any other liquids. Water has oxygen and hydrogen, and that is why we need it to live. Water is so weird. One of the things that makes our planet special is the presence of liquid water. Without water, every living thing could die. All living organisms require water more than any other substances. It can be a solid when it's frozen. It can be a liquid when it melts. It is dense so things could sink. It happens when a solid is formed. The molecules become more tightly together, and then it melts and the molecules move apart and get back into liquid. Water is so weird. The earth is 70% of water, 82% is in our blood. There is only 3% of drinkable water, and the rest is salt. Cells are surrounded by water and made of about 70 to 95% water. Water is the main reason for Earth to be habitable. The solid state is less dense than the liquid, so come on, take a closer look. Solid water is ice and then turns back into liquid again. The strangest thing about water is that it boils at 100 Celsius and freezes at 0 Celsius. That is strange. It has a typical chemical behavior, but the boiling point of water is not always 100 Celsius. Like for example, cake mix directions are so different. That's because the physical changes depend on pressure. It depends on the air around it. Water is so weird. Water has no color, no taste, or even smell. It has amazing properties to support life. It gives us energy. It goes up to extremely high temperatures for its size because of the extensive network of hydrogen bonds. More substance dissolves in water than any chemical. The hydrogen side of each water molecule carries a slight positive electric charge. The oxygen side is negative. It has coercive forces. They hold the water molecules together, many of them a universal solvent. Solvent is a substance that dissolves. Salt and polar can dissolve non-polar and hydrophobic. When it boils, the molecules come apart, and it is a process that takes more energy than expected. The freezing point is so unusual. It is higher than expected because of the hydrogen bonding. Liquid water has only 15% more H bonds than solid water. If water was normal, then it would be a gas, but it is not. A high specific heat. It takes a while to cool when it is hot. The same goes when in reverse too.